Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I contour my nose, how I snatch my nose. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go over with my concealer. I'm just showing you guys the first process in order for you to achieve your nose. So I'm going to go with the concealer on top of my nose. So this is the smudge concealer that I got from Clicks. I think Clicks is the only store that sells smudge. So you really do not have to use the same concealer as I'm using. You can use any concealer, even La Pro. So I'm gonna go in with a wet beauty blender just to blend in my face. And also don't forget to blend literally, guys. Been saying this on my past video. You need to blend all the time. So now I'm gonna blend in the concealer. I usually blend in my concealer when it's wet, because this concealer dries up very fast. As you guys can see that my nose is blended well. I'm just highlighting few parts that I have to blend in, because not everything is blended in proper. So yeah, you need to blend until you see that okay, it's not that visible, like it's not that white anymore. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. So now I'm going to use it with the Essence mousse that I got from Clicks too. I'm going to leave the price of the mousse on the description box. I'm going to go in with a brush that I got from Mr. Price, with the Mr. Price range. Then I'm going to start at my eyebrow, obviously at my eyebrow, and then I will go down, and then I'll also do the same thing with the other side. Usually some people, what they do is that they make the bottom, the tip of the nose kind of round, and then they separate it. I personally tried that, but then it doesn't work for me. So this is what works for me, and I'm showing you guys what actually works for me. This process is very much serious, guys. It gives structure to your nose, because if your nose is not like natural, it's not giving natural, then what are you doing? So this process is very important. So now I'm gonna go in with the same beauty blender just to blend in the excess part that is left of the brown mousse. But you don't have to do it like I do, but then you can just slide the beauty blender down if your beauty blender is thin, so you can just slide it down and you'll be perfectly okay. But mine is not that thin, so I have to tap, blend in order for me to get it correctly. But yeah, you don't have to blend much on top, because I mean, you're still keeping that structure that you are maintaining. You don't have to blend much on top, because if you're gonna blend on top, it's not gonna be visible that much. Alright guys, so I applied more concealer because the brown, when I applied, it was a bit too much, so I had to apply more concealer just to highlight. As you also can see that just after I applied, you can see that it became brighter, like my nose became snatch, like I could see what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna go with the Yardley translucent powder. If you watched my previous video, you know I love this powder. So it's very important for you to bake your face when you apply concealer for your concealer to set. So in the meantime, I am going to do my eyes because I'm waiting for my powder to set proper. So just continue watching the video and see how I actually line my eyes. So now guys, I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush and brush off the powder that is left. Usually I don't brush like that hard. I just brush and I'm just removing the powder. So you don't have to brush hard, because if you're going to brush hard, you're going to remove your foundation and everything else that you applied. So just brush off with the powder. Don't forget to brush your nose too, because you applied powder. I know I did not show that clip, but yeah, I did. So as you guys can see that my nose is giving things that it's supposed to give, like it's giving me snatched. But yeah, trust the process and, you know, believe in me, because this nose, it's gonna be snatched. You just have to trust the process. So yeah guys, so I used the Mimic Q highlighter. It's just that I lost the clip where I was applying it, but yeah guys, that's the Mimic Q highlighter that I use. So this is my face and this is my nose just after I highlighted. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time, bye.